Hi everyone. Got a slight problem here. I've got this dry blender and I cannot open it. I've tried and I can't open it. So I'm going to use a little trick that I learnt and hopefully I will be able to open it. So I've got some water on the boil. I'll pour some water in a container and stick the blender inside. Oops, ouch. That was really hot. Just making sure the bottom of it is actually immersed in it. As you can see, the bottom of it is actually immersed in it. So I'll leave that going for about 2 minutes. Now I'm not going to pause the video so you can see exactly what goes on. So I'm going to leave it like that. So if I pause the video, you might think, some people might be skeptical and say that it did not happen. So I'll leave the video rolling, or I'll leave the video recording. This has never happened to me before with any dry blenders. I think coming up to about the 2 minute mark. Nope, minute and a half. So I'll give it another minute again. So meanwhile, what I've done is I've got some ice cubes out. We need the water to be very cold. I've got some ice packs here and I put them in some cold water. And what I'm going to do is put one in the water, exchange the waters. So we're coming up to the time that I will change the water. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Some more hot. I want it to be in cold water now. And if that doesn't work, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I pray and hope it does. I'll give it a minute or so before I try this, before I see if this works. So this method should work on the expanding of the plastic and the contracting of the plastic with the cold, and that should give it a little room, and I should be able to budge. It should be able to budge. Okay, let's try it. It's not working. It's got a tiny bit to go. I'm going to dip it back in that hot cold water. And I've done it. Yippee, it's worked. So if you ever get stuck, if your blender ever gets stuck, put it in hot water, then put it in cold water, and you'll be able to open it. Yippee, that was really, really good. So that's how I've been able to do it. I hope you've learnt how to get get your blender unstuck. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.